What is cellulosic ethanol?
Cellulosic ethanol is a renewable biofuel made from the tough, fibrous parts of plants, like corn stalks, wheat straw, and wood chips, rather than from food crops. This process uses agricultural waste, making it an environmentally friendly alternative to gasoline and first-generation biofuels, which are produced from edible plant materials.
Breaking down plant waste.
The first step is collecting plant waste known as cellulosic biomass. This material mainly consists of cellulose, hemicellulose, and lignin. The biomass is pre-treated with heat, chemicals, or enzymes to break down the plant cell walls, making the cellulose fibers accessible for further processing.
Converting cellulose into sugar.
Next, the exposed cellulose is broken down into simple sugars through a process called enzymatic hydrolysis. Special enzymes are added to the pre-treated biomass, which helps convert the complex cellulose and hemicellulose into fermentable sugars, primarily glucose and xylose.
Fermenting the sugars to make ethanol.
The resulting sugar solution is then transferred to fermentation tanks, where microbes or yeast are added. These organisms consume the sugars and produce ethanol and carbon dioxide. This fermentation process may take a few days and is similar to how traditional ethanol is produced from corn or sugarcane.
Distilling and purifying ethanol.
Finally, the ethanol is separated from the fermentation mixture using distillation, which concentrates the ethanol by removing water and impurities. The purified cellulosic ethanol can then be blended with gasoline and used as an advanced, cleaner-burning fuel, helping reduce greenhouse gas emissions and making use of otherwise wasted plant material.